Hey there everybody, it's Mrs. Colby here. It's been a minute, huh? Well, I'm here today to really quickly walk you through what these Schoology Introduction Modules are all about. By now you may have heard the rumor that we are switching this summer from Blackboard and Google Classroom over to a platform called Schoology. And the reason we're switching to Schoology is it kind of merges the best of both Blackboard and Google Classroom into one website. Streamline the process, makes it lots easier for you and your parents, so you can go to one place to check all your assignments, all your due dates, your calendars, your grades, your announcements, everything in one place. So we think you're going to like it a lot. I also thought it would be really useful for you to get a chance to peek under the hood, kick the tires around before the fall, so that you could get used to it, you know how to navigate it, put your fears at rest, and that way, when fall comes and things start picking up the pace, you'll be ready, set to go. All right, shall we go take a look? All right, so I have gone to schoology.marymountschools.org and I have signed in with my school Google account. If you are on an iPad, if you are on a laptop, you can use Safari, you can use Chrome, you can use Firefox. It doesn't matter, your pick. So I logged in and it took me to this course dashboard, which shows you a nice grid of all your classes. The class you want is Marymount 101. And you're going to see, for now, 3 folders. There's going to continue to be content added to this that will be helpful to you, tutorials and that kind of thing. For now, all you're really responsible for is this Schoology Introduction Modules. You're going to click on it to open it up. And what I've given you here is just a kind of overview of what you should do for each module. For each module, you're going to submit an assignment and complete a quiz. Don't freak out. The assignments and the quizzes are very, very short and not terribly difficult. They are really just a chance for you to get in there, figure out how to use it, and get a chance to practice doing an assignment and practice doing a quiz. All right, so if I scroll down, now I see that I have Module 1 and Module 2. The first one's about navigating the site. The second one's about how to use the calendar. We're going to go learn a lot more advanced things come the fall, but this is basically what you need to get started. For each one, I'm just going to click on the folder. You'll see a step 1, complete the assignment, and you'll see a step 2, take the quiz. It's pretty straightforward. I'll start with step 1. And then I'm just going to read the directions first. Before I start clicking on stuff, read the directions. So this one has 1, 2, 3 directions. I'm going to follow those directions. And then when I'm done and I've submitted my assignment, I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click on, up here in the blue bar, it's your cookie crumbs. It takes you back step by step everywhere you've been. So I can go back to Module 1 after I'm done. Step 2 is the quiz. I'm going to go ahead and try to take that. I've already taken it, you can see multiple times. I have it set to allow you to take it as many times as you need. If you go to Test Quiz tab, you'll be able to retake it after you've done it, start a new attempt. And that is the basics of the quiz, pretty straightforward. All right, I'm going to go back here to Module 1. When I'm totally done with both Step 1 and Step 2, I can move on to Module 2. I can click on this link here, it'll take me right to Module 2. I can also just go up here to Schoology Introduction Modules. That takes me back here where I can go to Module 2. Again, I'm going to do Step 1, the assignment, Step 2, the quiz. When you finish each of your quizzes, I'll be able to see that you finished your quiz and you've passed, and I will issue you a Schoology badge, your very first Schoology badges, and that way you'll know that you have completed it. Alright, so for both of these modules, you'll notice there's a little box that says questions about this module. If you click on it, you have several options to get help. So this is actually a discussion board, and it's an example of a discussion board in Schoology, so you can actually just type your question right here and I'll respond to it. You can also, I'm going to have office hours every day of the week from 2 to 3. Not the weekends, but weekdays I will have 2 to 3 office hours. You can click right there. You can also email me anytime. If you click right here or here, it'll take you directly to my email address. And if you get stuck or have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. And I hope that you enjoy getting to know Schoology, and I will look forward to seeing all of your faces in the fall.